Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial on how to install Easy Strategy Builder on MetaTrader 4 or 5. Alright, so first we go to the official website and you type in Easy Strategy Builder and then you go to the downloads menu. So here in the downloads menu, we can see the two versions of Easy Strategy Builder. That's MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So first we go to the MetaTrader 4 version. There you'll be redirected to the MQL5 website. So over here you'll see the Easy Strategy Builder overview page. You could choose to either buy the full version or the free demo. So for this particular video we'll be trying the free demo. Now in the dialog box we click on yes, I have MetaTrader 4. Then we will allow the browser to open the MetaTrader. So after we open the MetaTrader, over here you can see the downloads and installation is happening and now it's complete. Alright, so now we go to the market in the navigator window under expert advisors. Over here you can see the Easy Strategy Builder is installed. Now we double click on it and our Easy Strategy Builder is ready for use. So over here we click on the inputs tab where we can see all the settings of Easy Strategy Builder. And with that, our Easy Strategy Builder is all set for making our robots, indicators, and other things, notifying us about everything we want. All right, so thank you for watching the tutorial. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a comment or a question below. And of course, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do try it out today.